Hello, guys. In this lecture I will show you how you can create the database and tables in Access 2016. First, open your Access 2016. Click Blank Desktop Database. Choose a file name. I'm gonna name it Hotel Guests for this video. Now click on Create. In my case, it automatically created a table, so let me close this table and create a new one from scratch. For creating a new table, click on Create tab and click the Table button. As you can see, it created an ID column with a data type of the auto number. I will change its name to Guest ID and add some more fields. On adding a new field, it asks me what data type I want. Right-click on the table and click Save. You can also change its data type from Fields tab and Data Type, or by right-clicking on the table and then click Design View. Here you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.